All political parties have upped their social media game ahead of Lok Sabha elections 2024. So we decided to revisit some viral posts and trends set by the political parties here. Known for making controversial statements on Bollywood fraternity, Kangana Ranaut was under public scrutiny for stating Subhash Chandra Bose, not Jawaharlal Nehru, as the first Prime Minister of India. The BJP's Lok Sabha candidate from the Mandi constituency in Himachal Pradesh faced severe backlash. However, Kangana did not back out. She cited the provisional government set up by Bose in 1943 as evidence of her claim. However, the explanation didn't hold too much ground, with politicians, historians, and even Netaji's grandson rebuking her for the statements. Chandrakumar Bose wrote on X that no one should distort history for their political ambition. Is there a rivalry like that of BJP and TMC? Well, you decide. For now, the two parties have been using cartoons and memes to target each other on social networking platforms. Recently, the TMC shared a cartoon on its official X handle where party supremo Mamata Banerjee is seen protecting West Bengal by holding the map of the state from the natural disaster which occurred in Jalpaiguri district a few days ago. The caption said, "Bengal can sleep because she's always awake." In a counter to the TMC's post, the BJP used the same cartoon of Banerjee but replaced the Bengal map with the image of an infant having the face of arrested TMC leader Sheikh Shah Jahan and wrote on X, and I quote, "Mamata Banerjee, the unyielding shield of Shah Jahan's tyranny." By the way, the meme war did not end as the BJP continued to hit out at TMC over a cartoon showing the Chief Minister kicking a ladder on which Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior BJP leaders are seen climbing. Targeting the TMC over the cartoon, BJP IT cell in charge and the party's co-in charge in West Bengal, Amit Malviya, wrote on X, and I quote, "Mamata Banerjee, the sitting Chief Minister of Bengal, is shown kicking the Prime Minister of India. This is a direct threat to harm the life and kill the Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and BJP Bengal leaders." Now, last week, Rahul Gandhi's close and a sportsperson turned politician Vijendra Singh shared a video of his friend and colleague targeting Prime Minister Modi. 2 days later, he joined the BJP. In an interview, when asked about his sudden change in stance, the Olympic medalist said, and I quote, "After sharing the video, I had slept, and then when I woke up, I realized that I was on the wrong platform and the BJP would be showing me the right path to walk on." Last but not the least, former Congress spokesperson Gaurav Vallabh joined BJP. However, social media remembers him as a familiar face defending Congress every now and then, including a fiery debate he had with Sambit Patra once. Most accounts were seen sharing his famous TV duel with the BJP spokesperson in 2019, during which he asked the latter whether he knew the number of zeros in a trillion, amid assertions by Patra that India would become a 5 trillion economy by 2024. For more such updates on Lok Sabha elections 2024, keep watching the Indian Express.